Number 1.
1985 Ford F250, price $9,000. This truck is a classic 4x4 pickup with 190,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a 351 V8 gasoline engine that runs well, though a bit tired. It features AC and heat, but the AC compressor is locked up and will need a new one along with an R134A conversion kit, finished in red with a burgundy interior. The truck has a re-upholstered bench seat and a smooth shifting transmission. The previous owner maintained it well, with recent replacements including spark plugs and wires, distributor cap and rotor, belts, transmission mount, air filter, oil, battery, and tires, which show minimal wear. It also comes with a sunroof that doesn't leak, a sealskin cover, and bedside rails for hauling. Overall, it's a well-kept vintage Ford that combines toughness, utility, and old-school charm.
Number 2.
1985 Chevrolet C30, price $9,995. This particular example stands out for its exceptional overall condition, both inside and out. The body remains straight and solid, showing no signs of neglect, while the fresh brown paint, enhanced by a professional wrap, gives it a clean, refined, and updated appearance without losing its vintage charm. The interior is in notably good condition, with well-kept upholstery, intact trim, and all the classic details that make these trucks so recognizable. It's clear that the vehicle has been well cared for over the years, maintaining much of its original character while benefiting from tasteful updates. Mechanically, this C30 offers the robust build quality and dependability that Chevrolet was known for during the 1980s, making it a strong candidate for either restoration or customization.
Number 3.
1988 Ford F350, price $10,000, features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and runs on gasoline. It comes with a clean title under the current owner's name and has had major investments in upgrades and maintenance. The truck boasts ice-cold AC with a new compressor, new alternator, steering box, brand new fuel tanks, sending units, 3 fuel pumps, and a factory OEM fuel selector. It also has new injectors, plugs and wires, headlights, taillights, cab lights, starter, and battery. It rides on new tires and features new seat upholstery, new headliner, custom carpet with logos, new power window motors, and a new windshield wiper motor. The truck also includes a newer rear bumper, a front leveling kit with arm drop kit, and several new sensors. Mechanically, it's dry and leak-free, with a rust-free, straight body, and nice patina. While the paint isn't perfect, with a fresh coat it could be a truly outstanding, clean, and reliable classic F350.
Number 4.
1992 Ford F350, price $6,500, with 179,000 miles on it. It's powered by a 460 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and that unmistakable old-school truck sound. Finished in white exterior paint with a gray interior, it presents a clean and well-kept cabin for its age. This solid F350 would make an excellent ranch, tow, or project truck, thanks to its durability and power. While it runs strong, it does have a minor overheating issue, likely related to the cooling system, and has recently developed some trouble shifting into reverse, so it will need a bit of attention.
With its classic square body design, reliable drivetrain, and overall solid condition, this truck offers both functionality and vintage appeal. Number 5.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,950. This truck is a reliable full-size pickup with 250,000 original miles on the odometer. It's powered by a strong 4.8L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering consistent performance both on the highway and around town. The truck features a gold exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look. It runs on gasoline and comes equipped with power windows, good tires, and a fully functional air conditioning system for added comfort.
The engine and transmission are in great condition, showing the vehicle has been well maintained over time.
With a clean Texas title in hand, the Sierra 1500 is ready for its next owner, an ideal choice for anyone seeking a dependable truck that still runs strong.
Number 6.
1989 GMC 1500, price $6,500, with only 78,000 original miles. It features an automatic transmission paired with a powerful 5.7L V8 gasoline engine, delivering both reliability and solid performance. The truck is finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, creating a timeless and bold look. Despite its age, the interior remains in excellent condition, showing how carefully the vehicle has been maintained throughout the years. This GMC is a 2WD long bed model with low gearing, making it highly capable for hauling, towing, or everyday work tasks. It's known for starting right up and running smoothly and quietly, a testament to the quality of its mechanical upkeep.
The Carfax report is clean, confirming its honest history with no accidents or major issues. Number 7.
1991 Dodge D250, price $6,000, comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a bold red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, and runs on reliable diesel power. The truck starts right up, just turn the key and go, and drives smoothly for its age. It does have a slight oil leak, though the exact source hasn't been identified. The odometer stopped working about 2 years ago, but the mileage is estimated to be around 130,000 miles. Despite its age, this Dodge D250 remains a strong, dependable truck that's ready for work or daily use. It's being sold simply because the owner is interested in trying something different. The truck currently sits on stock wheels and comes without a toolbox, offering a clean, original setup that's easy to customize to your liking.
Number 8.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,700, clean and well-maintained truck with 221,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, delivering smooth and reliable performance that feels almost like new. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a red interior, giving it a classic and timeless look.
Equipped with power windows and power locks, it offers everyday comfort and convenience.
The air conditioning works perfectly, ensuring a pleasant driving experience in any weather. This model also comes with a long chassis, providing extra utility for hauling or work use. The truck has a Texas clean title, reflecting its solid condition and well-documented history.
Number 9.
1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500, with an automatic transmission and a 305 V8 carbureted engine. Finished in gold with a tan interior, it features 4x4 with manual worn hubs, an 8-foot bed with a camo diamond plate toolbox, and rides on ProComp 16-inch wheels with good tires. Inside, it offers power windows, power locks, cruise control, a working stereo, and strong heat, though the AC system has been removed. All gauges work except the clock. The truck runs, drives, and stops as it should, showing reliable performance. The bench seat has rips, and there's rust on the rockers and cab corners, but the floors and frame are solid. Only the passenger side fuel tank is functional. Overall, it's a dependable vintage 4x4 with solid bones and classic appeal.
Number 10.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $9,700. This truck has 98,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking orange exterior with a clean black interior, it runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it features a 350 engine paired with a turbo 350 transmission, both largely stock and unmodified. The truck has been lowered approximately 6 inches, with no cutting involved in the process.
As for condition, it's impressively solid for its age.
While there is a small amount of rust in the typical spots expected from a 41-year-old vehicle, it remains minimal and far from concerning. Overall, this C10 offers a classic look with a clean stance and dependable mechanical setup.